In Part 3, we'll explore one of consulting's greatest advantages. ERP systems don't just teach technology, they teach you how businesses actually work. Oracle, SAP, PeopleSoft, and J.D. Edwards connect every part of a business. When you understand those processes, you stop thinking like an administrator and start thinking like an architect. I remember the moment this lesson stopped being theory for me. I was leading a $50 million SOA implementation, restructuring an entire order-to-cash system for a global manufacturer. That wasn't a database task. That was finance, supply chain, and operations, all depending on one architecture holding together. We got it right. That single project saved the client over $4 million a year in maintenance costs. That's when it clicked. I wasn't administering systems anymore. I was designing how a business actually functions. ERPs don't just teach you Oracle or SAP. They teach you the business itself, module by module, department by department. And once you see the whole business, you can't unsee it. That's the shift from technician to architect. Technology changes, business doesn't. Master both, and you'll build solutions companies can't afford to replace. The best architects don't just understand technology, they understand business. That's how you modernize without compromise. I will see you on the next video. In Part 3, we learned that consulting accelerates technical growth. But technology alone doesn't create architects. Leadership does. Great architects don't just build technology. They lead teams, present to executives, and solve complex business problems. Communication and leadership transform technicians into trusted advisors. Leadership didn't show up for me in a boardroom first. It showed up on a team. I was overseeing 8 technical team members across multiple time zones, all depending on me to make the right call under pressure. Executives don't want a status update. They want someone who can translate risk, cost, and technology into one clear decision. I learned to walk into a room with C-level leaders and say, here's the problem, here's the path, here's the ROI. That's a different skill than writing a script or tuning a database. That's earning trust when the stakes are real. The engineers who become architects are the ones willing to own the room, not just the runbook. Leadership isn't a title they give you, it's a habit you build, one hard conversation at a time. Servers power the cloud. Leaders power transformation. Become more than an engineer. Become the architect organizations trust. Join me for Part 5. I will see you on the next video. This is the final lesson in why consulting fast-tracks technical careers. Today, you'll discover why every project becomes an investment in your future. Every project expands your experience. Every challenge builds your expertise. In consulting, exposure compounds into opportunities that can accelerate your entire career. Here's what nobody tells you about consulting. The projects stack. One migration becomes a data center assessment. That becomes a cloud strategy. That becomes cost governance for a Fortune 500 company. 25 plus years across AWS, Azure, and OC, I didn't happen from one job. It happened from saying yes, again and again, to the harder engagement. Every environment I walked into, insurance, oil and gas, healthcare, manufacturing, taught me something the last one couldn't. That's compounding. Not luck, not timing, just exposure, stacked on exposure, until you're the person in the room everyone else is looking to. Your career is your greatest project. Design it, build it, own it. We modernize without compromise. I'll see you in the next one. Consulting doesn't just build your resume, it builds your future. Design your career, build it, own it. Your career is your greatest project. Keep learning, keep building, keep saying yes to opportunity, and let your experience create your future. I will see you on the next video.